Legal action against the government by police. Police officials have started legal action with regard to pensions against the government in respect to ministers. The PSA argues that women officers who have worked part-time or worked in breaks are discriminated against and challenges the legitimacy in dialogue with the government on reforms. The PSA claims that they have been subject to discrimination. The High Court has allowed judicial scrutiny of pension schemes, and the PSA is challenging sex discrimination claims against female superintendents at labor tribunals. After a payroll issued in July, the organisation representing top officials in England and Wales withdraws independently from an official pay agency. The Police Federation, which comprises 130,000 ranking and file officers, said that the existing pay structure was unsuitable for purposes. The PSA's president, Chief Superintendent Paul Griffiths, is scheduled to make an announcement at the association's annual conference on Tuesday. The government directive on public sector pay has superseded these procedures, causing pay decisions to be made ahead of the evidence requested from stakeholders throughout the service. Supt. Griffiths will also inquire as to why just 25 police superintendents have been added in the past year to oversee the recruitment of 20,000 more police officers. After Boris Johnson became Prime Minister in 2019, Priti Patel pushed for the increase, despite worries about execution and criticism of the Conservatives' past cutbacks to police funding. On Tuesday, the Home Secretary was scheduled to speak at the PSA conference, but she couldn't make it and sent a video message. She will defend the pay freeze by the police and says since the public sector salaries differ as a result of the coronavirus epidemic, the Chancellor cannot justify an overall rise in pay for public service employees. In order to reduce demand and preserve the mental health and well-being of officers, Mrs. Patel has launched a new PCSC, Police, Crime, Sentencing, and Courts Act, PCSC. A crackdown on protests may exacerbate tensions with protesters, and new trespass rules may discriminate against traveler communities, say police officials. The Independent previously reported that the government's new beat crime plan, which was abruptly unveiled in July, was not officially discussed with police authorities.